Today we will do some magic water book. We will draw with water and draw wonderful. See, I have this pen and we will just draw it, and let's see what animal appears on this canvas. Let's start. First, it's a tree, of course. Let's see what else comes here. Bee. Hives. Looks like it's a brown bear. Yeah, it's a bear. Ants. Snail. A fox. It's a fish. A hedgehog. Sika. And some nuts on the tree. Let's move on to another picture. Let's see what we can find here. We have to find egret, lutra, tree, and a dragonfly. Let's start. Let's see. Okay, I think we have found the tree. Yeah. What's this? A lutra. We have found lutra. These are fish. Oh, egret. See, we have found egret with a frog in his beak. Oh, yeah. Oh, lutra, another lutra. And a dragonfly. Looks like we have found all. We have found all of these in the picture. Let's move to another picture. Here we have to find a raccoon, a bat, an owl, wolf. Let's start. We have found a bat. And a wolf too. We have found it. Another wolf. It's getting interesting. I'm loving it. What's left? We have, okay, it's a wolf, It's a raccoon. Oh, it's not a wolf. It's a raccoon. See? And an owl. We have found all of these. A raccoon, a bat, an owl, and a wolf. It's a mushroom. Let's move to another picture and let's see what we have to find here. Parrot, monkey, coconut tree, and a lion. Okay. Let's start. Let's see what we can find here. The first thing we have found here is a parrot. See? A parrot. Let's see the second. We have found a coconut tree. See? These two are coconut. Yummy. What's this? Louder. Yes, a lion. We have found it. And what's this? See? It's a monkey with a banana. We have found these four: parrot, coconut tree, lion, and a monkey. Let's see if we can find something else. What's this? I know you know this animal. With big teeth, with nostrils. Giant hippo. We have solved our magic water book. I love it. I hope you like this. Thank you, and please like my channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Okay, take care and bye bye, have fun.